calcite?
Different kinds
Just
of
different
minerals, gemstones.
I would assume from the continent.
That would make sense, but I
Right?
don't know for sure. These are cool.
What is that? What are these things?
This is agate.
Alright, we are at Zawadi Marketplace, side of Jambo House at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. Do a tour of their gift shop here. Come down the stairs, we've got some drums. Susie playing some drums. What do those go for?
$29.95.
Well, it's not terrible. Not terrible. Let's work the over here, work the exterior here. There's some t-shirts, mugs, some backpacks, some plush toys. What is that?
Hand-woven basket
Hand-woven basket.
made by Josephine in Uganda. $36.99.
$6.99. Got like a little safari Mickey here. Looks like some kids' shirts. What is this that we have?
It's a wine stopper with a little hand-carved lion on it. $8.
$8. That's an Animal Kingdom Park shirt. 1,000 piece puzzle. On the right hand side of the store if you were to walk in. Some flip flops, sandals. Got winter hats here for our friends in the north. That's actually that's a cool hat. What kind of purses are these?
Dooney and Burke.
Dooney and Burke?
Yeah. Burke.
Burke. When you looked at those the other day, how much were those?
The little one was $158, I believe.
$158. This one right here. Susie was looking at. What else do we have over here? We've got some nice watches. Nice. Small watches. Here right in the center we've got all sorts of, I call them stuffed animals when I was a kid. That right there. That's cool. Now what do we have here? calcite?
Different kinds
Just
of
different-
minerals, gemstones.
I would assume from the continent.
That would make sense, but I
Right.
don't know for sure. These are cool.
What is that? What are these things?
This is agate.
Yeah, they have the down on the side. They have what they are.
Rose quartz. It's supposed to have some kind of healing property.
Huh. So they do
This is
those.
Susie's favorite.
What are these? Are these like slippers? What are these things?
It's a stuffed animal.
It's just a stuffed animal?
Yeah, like a little baby stuffed animal baby in a pouch.
Oh, okay. I'm not a big fan of these. They're kind of
And then it unzips.
okay. Yeah.
They're nice and soft though.
Yeah, they are soft. Pretty cool. I wouldn't have mind having something like that when I was a kid. No way. They even got, look at this, Susie. You got minivans.
Wow.
They got minivans. $9.99. That's not a bad price.
We also
That's-
have a 3-piece set of buses.
Oh, this is ridiculous. Look at this. Oh, I'm buying this.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. That's so cool.
No, it's not.
How much are these? These are definitely coming home. I don't even see a price on them.
Because they don't want you to buy them.
$17. Yep. Take one of those.
What are you, 8?
No. Yeah, some.
Well, the last I knew.
All set with that. Lightsaber. Okay, so magnetic keychains. Now we're just starting to work the left side of the store here with some bracelets.
They're not that generous. Yeah, but you're right.
Sunglasses. We've got some t-shirts. I want this bad boy, but it's not my size. That is a beauty. Not very keen on the golf shirt.
Or 12. Oh, yeah, we got time then. Dinner's not so far.
This is not going to them, they don't.
Some art stuff. That's a cool print. There.
Yeah.
Some more trinkets. Nothing really cool. Not your typical. Keychains here.
Kimmy? Hey, Kimmy, we need to give it to Ronnie.
Got some headwear here. Some hats. Here we got our soap, hand lotion, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, bathing suit if you forgot yours from home.
Yeah, I didn't realize it was that high going like this.
Footwear. 2020 stuff. Because your 2019 stuff's outdated. Don't really care for their 2020 stuff. I'm sure it's kind of boring. Kind of getting into the Animal Kingdom themed stuff. Nice Crocodile Dundee hat. Love this jacket. I mean, that thing is beautiful. What is that? Just a mask? This whole back area is like most of your Animal Kingdom themed stuff. You like these things, right?
Yeah, I do.
Where's that little drum thing from the Karate Kid? Yep. What are these bonsai trees?
It's nice rain sticks.
It's a soothing sound, isn't it? Got a little bonsai. You got some more gorgeous prints back here. I like how the prints now, you can get them framed. It's a great option. This purse is kind of cool in a funky way. This one's good. Pin trading. Or mugs. Some of the luggage. Disney World luggage. Cookware. Mickey salt and pepper shakers. Now we're getting into the stuff that you need to bring back to the room. We've got some tea. We've got some sort of sweets. Here in the far left area of the gift shop. Got some Rice Krispie bars.
Little tiny ones. That black.
It's a cool gift shop. Over here you got your typical DVC stuff, cereal, soda,
If you have your phone,
chips.
I just need experience.
Coolers over here. Get the pizza, stuff to throw into a microwave. Drinks, alcohol, wine.
And that's it. Thank you. Hello. Are you on the dining plan? We are.
No, we just came in hungry.
Oh, okay. One of the two. Yeah, right?
Love those wine stoppers. I'm gonna head out to where we came from. But before we head out, I want to show you, this is the coolest stuff that I think they have here. They have these awesome carvings. And I actually bought one the other day. The guy sits out and he does these carvings just out of wood. And I actually bought one of them and he signed it for me, so it's very cool to watch these guys. They sit right outside the gift shop and just hand carve out of a piece of wood.
So the pieces of wood that they use back
Yeah. There's the wood. That's where these things come from.